It's raining. This gets more clear when we start the rain from dropping down, 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 down. We stop the rain from dropping down, down, down. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy my intro? No. Okay. I have 15% battery, so I'm gonna make this quick. Okay. It's gone. Well. Sorry, I can't stop thinking about that intro in my head. So cool. Oh, there. Even though I'm like a mile past it, past that strip. But person just walked by. Person just walked by. Okay. So it's gonna be really short. Got braces. But yeah. It's pretty awesome. Pretty not awesome. It's hailing. Oh no. It hailed right there. Hailed right there. It hailed! No! No! It's getting closer. Well, no! That scared me in the recording. Why? But yeah. It says, keep gates closed. Dun dun dun. Oops. Dun dun dun. Keep the gate closed. Okay. We threw. Seriously? We threw. There's a flood over there. It's like a mini island, and then. Did you guys hear that thunder? I don't think you heard it, but my sister is watching some vids, and it's annoying me, but it's okay. There is like so much water. I'm not even kidding. Seriously. This is gonna cause a flood. And we're in Menifee, California. Oopsies. Well, I didn't say what part of California. Well,